waiting for that uppercut.
And there you go. Like we said earlier, Manigo's fighting spurts. But when he does, the effective left hand by Manigo.
Very good left hand by Manigo.
Saved by the bell.
Halos inubos na ng mga Hapon ang ating mga Pinoy boxer na dumadayo sa kanilang baluarte sa Japan. Ang dating hari ng buong Asia pagdating sa larong suntukan na bansang Pilipinas ay talagang naunahan na ng bansang Japan. Sa katunayan ay dalawang Hapon ngayon ang pasok sa top 10 pound for pound na Uya Inoue at Junto Nakatani. Dahil dito ay mas lalong lumakas ang mga Hapon ngayon, talagang gumagawa ng ingay sa nasabing sports. Tila ginagawang pampataba na lang ng kartada ang ating mga kababayang boksingero na dumadayo sa kanilang baluarte. Pero may isang undefeated knockout artist at prospect na Hapon na matapang na dumayo sa ating baluarte dito sa Pinas. Ito ay si Mashimo na may record na 8 wins, 0 loss, 6 via knockout. Nilabanan niya ang isa sa mga veterano nating boksingero na si Jason Canoy Manigos na may di ganon kagandang kartada na 28 wins, 12 losses, 11 via knockout para sa isang 8 rounds na suntukan. Dahil sa di magandang record ng Pinoy ay tila sobrang kumpiyansa lang nitong Hapon. Inakala yata niya na magiging dagdag lang sa kartada itong si Kabayan. Pero sa mismong bakbakan ay di nagpatinag ang Pinoy. Gamit ang tibay at experience ay Bugbog Sarado ang inabot ng Hapon na dayo.
But when he does, the effective left hand by Manigo.
Very good left hand by Manigo.
Saved by the bell.
Balikan natin ang napaka-aksyong laban ni Jason Canoy Manigos kontra Dayong Hapon na si Mashimo. Ang laban na kung saan unang namansyahan ang malinis na kartada ng Hapon.
Second rendezvous for Mashimo with us, John.
This is second fight with Omega Boxing. He was also present. Noy Manigos, the veteran. Previously, he upset then undefeated against this veteran.
Manigo for the body and then going inside the head. Very good uppercuts in the midsection.
Known his intentions early on in this fight. Position uncomfortable as much as possible by pressuring and cut.
However, Manigos. Now Mashimo has Manigos against the ropes. 2 hooks to the head Manigos and then was able to sneak in that uppercut in the midsection. However, very good elbows here by Mashimo.
Good uppercut by Manigo.
Another very good uppercut by Manigos. However, he was very open for that left hook. More uppercuts from Manigos. Another hook by Manigos.
Manigos is showing this young kid that old man strength, Franco.
Mashimo, hindi na siya dapat makikipagsabayan dito. Kasi another uppercut by Manigos.
But Manigos needs to be careful.
Now he has a Japanese in trouble.
And
We're seeing blood.
that's right, early on in this fight. And this is a good strategy for Manigos, no? Because he's connected with that uppercut. I told you, this guy is not a scrub. And
You have to rely on that old man's strength. Now it's
uppercut again. Body shot by Manigos. Great first round by Jason Manigos.
Manigos. Diba? Don't destroy.
Your strategy is already working. So you have that he needs to take advantage of double hook from Manigos. But Mashimo is right there.
The veteran in Manigos definitely did.
And the big question here, Franco, is how much damage did Manigos make? And because he's very powerful with those counter shots.
Uppercut. Ibabawi naman sa'yo ni Mashimo 4. But he can't be careless. And
Recovery by good right hand by Manigos.
good body shots by Manigos. Huwag ka lang straight to the body.
And I think he hurt Takeru with that in that exchange. But Takeru comes
Now he has Manigos against the ropes.
taking a breather, it seems.
Oo.
But the uppercut once again is there and left hand from Manigos.
Manigos attacking the body and finishing with an uppercut to the face. More than anything,
Good body shot by Manigos.
mas kailangan ni Manigos yung break na to. He needs to recover. End of the round.
That was a
8th round fight between Mashimo versus eventful first round for Manigos. Nakabawi ng Hapon round.
And courtesy of those uppercuts from Manigos.
And Manigos should, as much as gusto niya makipagsabayan, and he wants to count, diba? Throws combinations,
Good right hand for Manigos. Absolutely right, Franco.
overhand right there by Manigos. Followed uppercut ni Manigos.
Good right hand. I think Mashimo got hurt.
He is wobbled. Mashimo is wobbled. Side. Good shot to the body. Another uppercut right in the middle for Manigos round. Another uppercut there by Manigos. Ano?
I think talagang you have to give credit to the matchmaker, no? And good flurry by Kakeru.
Good head move
In this round, good short right hand.
Good overhand right by
Just like that.
Another good left hand there by Manigos. Right now, halfway mark, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jake.
Good.
Levels ng attacks ni Manigos. Goes to the body, goes to the head.
Got caught there. This is an opportunity for Kakeru to shift the momentum in his favor.
Very aggressive punch. Napapahinga siya ngayon. Manigos needs to capitalize. Good hook to the head by Manigos.
Devastating. Courtesy of Jason Gani Manigos. Halfway. Good combination by Manigos. I think Kakeru is hurt. He's not answering right now.
Throwing everything. Throwing everything.
Good defense from Manigos. But
Now Mashimo wants to go back to the body.
Patiently waiting for that uppercut.
And there you go.
Good
Like we
flurry
said
by
earlier,
Manigos.
Manigos fights in spurts. But when he does, it's effective. Left hand by Manigos.
Very good left hand by Manigos.
Saved by the bell. The late punch in those sequences where he hurt. Good left hand from Manigos. There you go again. Left hook.
Two left hands by Manigos.
Right hand by Manigos.
Power
Double
shot.
left hook.
Power shot after power shot, John. Manigos is on another level of energy. However, Manigos is very comfortable in this position right now. Good jab there by
Good
Manigos.
combination by Manigos.
More lefts than rights.
Kuha na niya yung range and yung timing as you see. Great combination by Manigos. And Kakeru is on his turtle shell right now.
Kakeru Mashimo. Final 10 seconds of the fifth round.
Good uppercut by Manigos.
What a way to end this round, John.
Mashimo to contain that good combination from Manigos
Punch combination there.
with that uppercut. Down goes Manigos, but I think the referee will call that a slip.
Only sa 10 seconds na. Para na itong dalawa to. They want to impress the judges. End of the round. There's no giving up. There's no letting down. He utilized the ropes to his advantage.
And for those watching, what Manigos has been doing is the perfect example of what your game plan should be against a taller opponent.
Again,
Good right hand by Manigos, but he's breathing heavily right now. Good right hand by Manigos. Left hand from Manigos.
those are landing as we approach the final 10 seconds of this round.
Beautiful combination by Manigos.
Nagbubuhos na naman po si Manigos for this round.
This is the
Eighth
eighth
and final round. Let's go!
Giving a whole new meaning to wala nang bukas. Happened this time, but Manigos is still there.
Ang ganda ng counter-punching ni Manigos.
I want to see a rematch of this
I
fight.
know, they could actually run it back, bro. They could actually do this again. Minute 40 in the 8th and final round. Both fighters forward.
Slip a little bit.
Manigos goes back to the...
And by Kakeru.
What an onslaught from both these fighters. However,
Good left
Mashimo
hand by Manigos.
getting better of the exchange.
First Kakiru, pero yung
Impact favors Manigos.
That's right. And Manigos is hyped up right now. And he receives a left hand from Kakiru. Good.
Another, these fighters will do.
Good right hand.
right hand there by Manigos.
Good right hand again by Manigos. He's spamming with that right hand and it's hitting the mark. 10 seconds left.
Seconds.
Who wants it more?
Good shots there. Another right hand by Manigos.
What a fight! Unbelievable performance from Jason Cano Manigos.
Via split decision, Jason Canos Manigos!
And there you have it, Jason Cano Manigos.